In today's video, I will teach you how to create a professional branded letterhead using PicMonkey. Let's get started. To make a professional branded letterhead, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. Here, you can either use one of PicMonkey's canvas presets, or you can make your own custom canvas. The standard size for letterheads is 8.5 by 11 inches, which you can find under the print sizes category. But if you prefer to start with a completely customizable template, go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. In the Templates panel, you will see thousands of free and customizable templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword letterheads on the search bar and decide which template to use. To add your logo, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Now, simply press the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your file. Once the file is uploaded, you will see it under the Uploaded tab. Now, you can simply click on the uploaded image and it will automatically appear on your canvas. To add and edit the text, simply click on the existing text layer on the canvas. And if you're starting from scratch, you can add a text box by simply going to the sidebar, open the Text tab, and either choose from PicMonkey's text presets or add a new text box. All the text editing tools will appear at the sidebar while the text layer is selected. Make sure that the text is readable by choosing the right colors and font styles. You can also use different font combinations to make the important keywords pop more. To add graphics, go to the sidebar and open the Graphics tab. Now, browse through PicMonkey's graphics library or simply type in the keyword related to the graphics element that you would like to find. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear at the sidebar. Make sure that the graphics have enough contrast from the other elements, especially the background, so that the elements won't blend in together. Now, just play around with your design. And once you're satisfied with your letterhead, you can now either download the file directly to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.